welcome to a new video. We are exploring a little bit more of Lisbon today. It's very busy outside. We were going to go to Alex factory and that area of Lisbon. I'll put up a map so you guys can see what I'm on about. A lot of roads are closed because it's like it's World Youth Day or something like that, and it's a big celebration, like the Pope is here and everything, and there were a lot of crowds, so we tried to get the train, we tried to get the metro, we tried to get a bus. It's just all overcrowded or not running at all, so we've come down to this place called Copenhagen Coffee Lab. We're just gonna grab a drink and recharge. I think we both need it, and we'll take it from there. We're on our way to LX factory now, which is like it's an old factory which has been converted into some sort of market. I know there's like it's a bookshop, right? Yeah, bookshop, and I think there's some other
vintage shops, yeah, things like that as well.
That sort of thing. So we're just gonna head over there and check it out. It's about a 40-minute walk from where we were before. We're about halfway through, and yeah, you can get like public transport there, but it's a bit hectic today to say the least, so we've decided to walk it. There's a nice breeze, but it is very warm, and I kind of do wish that I had my hat with me.
God, it's close. I don't know if she can hear me. Hello. She said outside and to your right. Oh, I think there's toilets over there. Oh no, that way. The toilet's down there. She said to the right. No. Wild Amelia off in the streets. Off she goes.
We're at a bar, restaurant for lunch. She's gone to the loo. Wash your hands. It's currently 2:30 and we're in a like old factory town. So you can see all this. Good avocado toast. How's your burger? Good?
Very good. Chickpeas and oats, is it? Yeah,
I think so.
Very good.
Nice.
The onion, fantastic.
Do you know what type of factory it was? Do you know what type of factory it was?
Printing, maybe? I think
that looks, yeah, that looks.
Printing, maybe.
It's time to try my first pasta de nata, however you want to say it, I'm not too sure. It's vegan. You can if you want. Oh, the French flag behind me.
Yeah.
I like the pastry.
Custard?
The custard is okay. I don't love custard anyway. This is good. It's better than I thought.
Really?
Yeah, like I don't mind it.
Yeah, that's a win.
Yeah. Reverse vlog to show that it's a bit complicated to get to.
Oh.
And it's not that obvious that that's it.
No, that's true.
We've come to this explore office parking place. Pretty view. Time for us to get some food. We're going to like a tapas-like place where you can try loads of different Portuguese dishes, and we're gonna hope that they have like enough veggie-friendly options for it to be worthwhile for me, and for you to be fair with like the fish-wise, like it needs to be worthwhile. Time for a pad thai. We couldn't find the Portuguese place, so we came to this like Timeout marketplace, and I got a pizza, I got pad thai, and I'm so excited to eat this. There's quite a lot to choose from. Over there, around here. I realise I like pad thai this much.
I can hold the camera for you.
This is our usual shitty setup, yeah. Oh, this is gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I've never been so excited about food.
Oh god, how did she do it? We're going to the National Tile Museum today, and I think we're going to maybe take a ferry across the water to have dinner tonight. I was just about to say that I'm glad we're not in the rooms next to the bathrooms. Yeah, that's true. Especially you can hear them when they have a shower probably, so.
Shower is the least of my worries.
No, I know. Yeah. Also there's the kitchen because there's like a little window.
Yeah.
For the last room. Sorry, I'm just like filming it at the moment.
No, that's fine.
The digital camera, 85%, okay. 4 hours, 31 left. I read that one in school. Sorry.
Lots of French stuff.
Yeah, there is.
We decided to walk to the National Tile Museum, and I'm so glad we did, because otherwise we wouldn't have stumbled across this little market thingy, and we saw so many beautiful areas that we probably wouldn't have seen or noticed otherwise. Eventually we made it to the Tile Museum, and it was so beautiful, honestly. One of my favorite things we did in Lisbon, and I would 110% recommend going if you have the chance to. There was a lot about the history of tile making and how the process has evolved over time, how they used to print on the tiles. To me, it was really fascinating. If you're into art or anything like that, then you definitely want to check this museum out, because it really is something else. It's really impressive, and it's super interesting to learn. Another aspect that I liked about this museum is that it was quite accessible. So there was loads of explanations of things in Braille, and there was also tiles where you could feel the pattern so that you could get an idea of what the tiles might look like, which I think was really cool and super inclusive.
Let's go.
That time of day where we make ourselves crisp sandwiches, have our luxury lunch. Kind of sad because it's our last one together. After visiting the museum, we walked back towards the centre of Lisbon, going past Alfama, which is quite a well-known neighbourhood. This isn't it in the video yet, but it's coming up really soon. I needed a drink of water because it was hot.
That's a big bottle.
Yeah, I'm thirsty. Thirsty gal. Gonna watch me down it.
Mm-hmm.
€1.50 though, wasn't expecting that.
Good or bad?
I feel robbed.
Yeah, welcome to Europe.
Okay, here we are. Here's Alfama. It's quite a well-known neighborhood. It's very pretty. I can see why it's a well-known neighborhood, and we then decided to head over to the History of Lisbon mural. That would be an impressive mural. Yeah. I was very excited to see this mural. It's basically a cartoonified version of Lisbon's history, or maybe even Portugal's history, I'm not too sure. However, when we got there, we did realise that it's basically a very glorified public toilet. Like it's just the entrance to a toilet, but nonetheless, we really enjoyed it. I liked looking at the different sketches. Not that I could understand all of it, but I think it was a cool way of showing the history of the area. We've come for some Asian food. It's called Asian street food or something like that. We've got some spring rolls, pak choy, rice, and it's got some dumplings and is it duck? Bun?
Caramelised duck, actually.
Nice. Unfortunately, this was the last clip I got in Portugal, which means we are at the end of the Lisbon series. But yeah, thank you so much for joining me on this little trip, and I will hopefully see you in another video very, very soon.